Hey there, and welcome back to Movetify. If you love travel, adventure, and discovering the most breathtaking destinations, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive luxury catamaran cruise in Nha Trang, Vietnam's ultimate beach paradise. Imagine sailing through turquoise waters, sipping on a tropical cocktail, and exploring hidden islands that feel like they belong in a dream. Sounds amazing, right? Well, don't just imagine it. Let's set sail and experience it together. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic travel experiences. And now, let's dive in. Stop scrolling. Close your eyes. Imagine this. You step onto a luxurious catamaran. The sun is warm, the sea is endless, and a cool ocean breeze brushes against your skin. A fresh tropical cocktail lands in your hand, and as the yacht glides smoothly over turquoise waters, you take a deep breath. Ah! This is paradise. But wait, this isn't just a daydream. This is real. And this could be you, right here in Nha Trang, Vietnam's most breathtaking coastal destination. So, are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Let's set sail! Step into luxury. The moment you step aboard, you know this is no ordinary boat trip. The sleek, modern design of the catamaran, the friendly crew greeting you with a chilled drink, the soft lounge chairs inviting you to relax. Everything is designed for one thing, your ultimate comfort. As the engines hum to life, the yacht slowly pulls away from the shore. The city skyline of Nha Trang fades behind you, replaced by the open sea. And just like that, your worries are gone. This is freedom. Time to unwind. The waves dance beneath you, sparkling under the golden sun. You lay back on the netted deck, feeling weightless above the water. A light sea spray cools your skin, mixing with the tropical scent of sunscreen and fresh fruit. Music plays softly in the background. Laughter drifts through the air as guests clink glasses, sharing stories and soaking up the moment. No emails, no deadlines, just you, the ocean, and a day with no limits. Take a sip of that passion fruit mojito and let it all sink in. This is how life should be. Secret spots ahead. But this trip isn't just about relaxing. Nha Trang is home to some of the most stunning islands in Southeast Asia. And today, we're taking you to the best of them. First stop, Hanman Island. Beneath these deep blue waters lies a world of color. Coral gardens, tropical fish, and marine life you won't believe is real. If snorkeling isn't your thing, no worries. Just dip your feet in, feel the warm water, and enjoy the untouched beauty of nature. Next, we drift toward Han Tam, a paradise of soft white sand, swaying coconut trees, and crystal clear water. It's like a private retreat, just for you. Make a splash! Ready to take things up a notch? Now's your chance! Jump off the deck and feel the rush as you splash into the cool, refreshing sea. Try paddleboarding across the calm waters, or float effortlessly, staring up at the endless sky. And for the explorers, snorkeling here is next level. Slip on a mask, dive down, and enter a world of neon-colored fish, swaying sea fans, and hidden underwater wonders. It's a moment you'll never forget. Food fit for a sea king. After all that adventure, it's time to refuel. And on this yacht, we do things in style. Picture this, succulent grilled lobster freshly caught just hours ago. Sweet juicy mango slices bursting with flavor. A chilled glass of wine, perfectly paired with the salty sea breeze. As you take your first bite, the flavors explode. A taste of the ocean, a touch of tropical paradise. Dining with a view like this? It just doesn't get better. The grand finale. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. The grand finale of this unforgettable day. The sky transforms into a masterpiece. Shades of pink, orange, and deep purple blend into the horizon. The waves turn golden, mirroring the last rays of the sun. You stand at the edge of the yacht, watching as the sun slowly dips below the waterline, taking in a moment so perfect it feels unreal. This is the kind of memory that stays with you forever. The kind that makes you smile years later, remembering the feeling of absolute peace, adventure, and freedom all in one. Pack your bags. So what are you waiting for? This isn't just a boat trip, it's an experience. A story waiting to be written. And the best part? You can live it. Pack your bags. Grab your friends. Book that ticket. The ocean is calling, and this yacht has a spot just for you. Nha Trang is waiting. Are you coming?